Mweri umwe thutha wa kandarathi ya Malkia Strikers na kambuni ya maguta ya National Oil guthira, riu kambuni ya SportPesa ni mahingite ithenya riu na kurugamirira timu ino na njira ya kumagurira nguo cia mathako o undu umwe na kumarihira marihi ma training camp kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe. Ni kuhitukira kuri murugamiriri munene wa kimabũrũri hari wendia kambuni-ini ya SportPesa Joyce Kibe urocereire nyarari ici kiharoni gia Kasarani guku mucini wa Nairobi mathaa-ini ma rucini.
SportPesa has come in and supported them through the residential training camp because we want this team to go and excel when they go to Cameroon.
O ihinda-ini riu kocha munene wa Malkia Strikers Japheth Munala ni arekereirie maritwa ma airitu 12 aria gakorwo akiumagara nao bũrũri-ini wa Cameroon muthenya wa kana. Hamwe nao are Jane Washo uria urikitie kuguru bũrũri-ini wa Seychelles gukaida ka mwaka umwe guthakira kuo na Massimo Im uria niwe captain wa nyarari ici.
These are the players that are going to Cameroon to make us proud. We have number 1 Jane Washo, number 2 Evelyn Makuto, number 3 Violet Makuto, number 4 Leonida Kasaya, number 5 Janet Wanja, number 6 Triza Atuka, number 7 Noel Murambi, number 8 Massimo Im, the captain, the head coach Japheth Munala, assistant coaches Joseph Baraza and Dorcas Ndasaba.
Malkia Strikers magakorwo makiumbuka kwerekera bũrũri-ini wa Cameroon muthenya wa kana kuria magakorwo makinyita itemi hitaitano-ini cia mubira wa volleyball cia Africa kuria irabu cia mbere igiri magakorwo makimathira tigiti wa 1 kwa 1 kunyita itemi mathako-ini ma thi ma muthako wa volleyball FIVB mwaka turorete. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV kuma gukiharoni gia Kasarani Indo Arena riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.